Logan's wanting to go to the Hot Rod Power Tour 2023, and he wants to take the Band Wagon, so we got to get it tuned up. We ain't drove it in a while, and make sure it's going to make it down there and back. This thing got the name the Band Wagon because we used to play music back years ago, and it's what we carried all of our music equipment on. So it got known as the Band Wagon. So, but anyway, we're going to take her to the Hot Rod Power Tour. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We got to get some oil leaks stopped and some brakes fixed, and Logan's going to do it all by himself.
Yeah.
All right, I've been losing brake fluid, and me and Logan just found out where it's at. Let's see if we can get down there and see. Can you see right there? We found the leak. See it leaking? That line has got a hole in it. Been leaking brake fluid for quite a while, but we got her now, boys. Let's get that fixed. All right, take her off there.
Well, I need the air.
Okay, I'm just gonna check.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
All right, I got that line replaced, but we had to engineer just a little bit. Redneck engineering, that's the best we could do. But boy, I'll tell you what, you ain't gonna have to worry about this car rusting. Don't you look at the oil. But we found another small leak back here. I'll show you where it's at. So I decided to check the brake pads on the rear while we had it up there. And if you see right there, see that seeping? There you go. And this side is too. Let's see if we can get a line on here. Well, there it is. So you can see where that's seeping. So we got to put this on. So we're going to go ahead and replace the rear brakes on this. And put a new fuel pump in it because it was making a heck of a noise. So hopefully she'll be ready to head to Atlanta to the kickoff to the Hot Rod Tour. All right, we're in disagreement. This is. Hey, look. Hey. Hold that off a minute. All right, we're in an argument. We got $5 a piece laying right over here. I say 75 to 35. What do you say?
He's wrong. It's 235 from bottom of tire to here. 75 is your width.
All right, we're gonna Google it.
And then, so you got 50, so it's 235 is the tallness, 75 is your width, 15-inch wheel.
All right, well, here, hold this, Logan. I say 75 is this, 235 is a width. Google him, because he's the one Googling it.
We'll have to probably step outside.
All right, we're on service.
I'm just waiting.
You got it? What does it say? I can't see it.
I'm trying, it won't load. It's service.
I'm going to give him my $5 now, or you going to wait?
You get my $5. You're wrong.
You
If it worked like that, the one you got 35, 10, 50, 15. 35-inch tire, 1050's width, 15-inch wheel. Same thing, but 235 is just metric.
Okay, just Google it. I don't know what Google says. Come up.
Yeah, finally, section width.
What you got?
Hold on, I'm trying to read this book here.
Just look at the picture.
Amount.
You there?
That's Brandon. P is that number. The width following the letter, identify the service type, the 3-digit numeric portions, identify the tire section width across the section in millimeters. So it's saying that's 235.
Oh, that's what I said.
That makes no sense. That's not right.
What else should I say? Let me go ahead and get my $5.
You're wrong. I'm telling you.
You just read it right there.
All right, so here's, explain something to me here.
Let me explain something to you. You just lost $5.
No.
I won.
It says tire width. It does say it.
What does it
Take
say?
crazy out in rev diameter. Well, that makes no sense. That's not right.
Oh, Dad's right again. What do you say? Go ahead and say it.
That ain't right. That's not even. So that makes then why are not all tires the same size? If you ordered a 225, 75, 15.
It'd be tall and narrow. We are in the process of fixing the dash pad for the Band Wagon. You can see it's seen better days. This is where we're going with it right here. Match the Band Wagon. If you notice, I already got the headliner done back years ago. Now we're gonna match the dash. So let's get to it. We'll see how it turns out. All right, it's done. Hold your breath. Oh, look at that. Man, does that not say rawhide? Woo! Rawhide. We got the Band Wagon ready for the Hot Rod Power Tour 2023. Going to head down to Atlanta Monday. What we get done?
Well, you put cowhide on it, you fix the brakes, put some new shiny shoes on it, fix the rims, put some new mufflers on it. We cleaned it up, put a big logo on it. It's looking good. Check it out.
Still got the bull horns right where they were. We put the cowhide on the dash, which turned out really, really nice, which now matches the headliner. We got the logo, big logo. We got the bubble gum machines, they work. And we got the, look at that, high performance muffler tips, high performance muffler tips. So we're ready. Look at that. Brake lights work. Crank her up, Logan. Rev it up. Ooh, listen to that. And the most important thing,
The driver.
no, the air conditioner.
Oh yeah, the air conditioning.
Yeah, we got ice cold air, but oh, that is so cold. Oh, and it's so nice. How cold is it in there?
Freezing.
Freezing cold. Turn the lights on. There we go. So if y'all down at the Hot Rod Power Tour in Atlanta, we're gonna be looking for you. Come by and meet us. We'd love to meet you. Shake your hands and talk about junk cars. We'll see you there, hopefully. Come by and check out Phillips Run Drip Bowl Company. I don't believe you're gonna be able to miss us.